While considering that the epidemic is still not over, the Algerian government has imposed restrictions on opening hours. Traders say they allow up to 3 people into stores to prevent coronavirus infection. Algeria announced the first corona case of 25th of February. Shortly afterwards, the Algerian government adopted strict prevention and control measures in time to prevent further spread of the epidemic. There are around 100 newly confirmed cases per day in Algeria, indicating that the epidemic has entered a stable period, which is one reason why the Algerian government has allowed the reopening of some businesses. Meanwhile, the United Arab Emirates economic pillars of tourism and transportation industries have been hit hard by the coronavirus pandemic, prompting the UAE government to launch a series of supportive policies. Sagut, a waiter works at a famous hotel in Dubai, says most rooms are empty with only a small number of long-term guests still staying. Although he is still working at his position, 2/3 of his colleagues are on unpaid leave. Those who are still on duty, like Sagut, are earning much less than they used to. Luckily, the hotel provides free food and lounge for them to stay. The UAE hopes to reopen tourism and transportation industries in July. Emirates Airlines says there are over 500,000 flight ticket refund transactions yet to be processed. Finally, a traditional market in Seoul, South Korea, where small stalls depend on foot traffic, has adopted online business in coronavirus pandemic. Suyu Traditional Market avoided coronavirus lockdowns and most businesses remained open. But that has not stopped the pandemic from extracting a heavy economic toll on traders dependent on face-to-face sales because of customers staying at home. Business is picking up, at least for stall holders who have signed up to an online delivery system developed to help traders who normally work offline. Goods are now picked up from stalls and dropped at people's doors. Since the start of the pandemic, there has been a boom in shopping online in South Korea, which was already very popular.